Hello everyone, myself Ncert from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with page number 100, Cell the Unit of Life, Ncert Biology Class 11. We are going to continue with nucleus. As we have earlier discussed, nucleus is a cell as a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown as early as 1839. Later, the material of nucleus stained by basic dye was given the name of chromatin by Fleming. You have to remember these two scientists, and one very important concept-based question they might ask you is that here it is mentioned nucleus is stained by basic dye. So the nuclear material, the material has to be an acidic one. So you have to remember that material is acidic. That's why they are stained by basic dye, and which is named as chromatin. Now, the interface of the nucleus is highly extended and elaborate nuclear protein fibers called chromatin. Chromatin earlier you get here, and the nuclear matrix and one or more spherical bodies called nucleoli. About this you will get later on, and there are two membranes, parallel membranes. A space in between those membranes in the nucleus, it's 10 to 15 nanometer. 15 nanometer, you have to remember this space 10 to 15 nanometer, which is called perinuclear space, and forms a barrier between the outside cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Outside membrane, you think that has to be connected with the endoplasmic reticulum, and so that ribosomes are there. And these two membranes fuse at some points to form nucleopores, that minute pores, which is responsible for through which the movement of RNA and protein molecules take place. You have to remember this. Now the number of nuclei varies according to the function of the cell, and in erythrocytes of mammals and sheep tube cells of vascular plants, they do not have nucleus. So you have to remember these two examples. Are these living? Yes, of course they are living, and the life of erythrocyte in human is 120 days. You will get in other chapter. Now the nuclear matrix of the nucleoplasm contains nucleolus and chromatin. Nucleoplasm contains nucleolus and chromatin. You have to remember the content of the nucleoplasm. And nucleoplasm, as it is not a membrane bound structure, you have to remember that nucleolus is not a membrane bound structure. It is continue with the rest of the nucleoplasm, and it is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. This question have been asked multiple times, so you have to remember this sentence as well. Larger and more the numerous nuclei present in the cell, more actively it is carrying out protein synthesis. This question also have been asked previously. Thank you.